Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's. We wanted to let our customers know that we offer a contactless car service program and wanted to demonstrate this program to see if it's the answer that you're looking for. The program can be accessed from our website or speaking to one of our dedicated team. So whether you prefer to pick up the phone or fill in a contact form online, we'll give you a call and get your car booked in. You will receive a booking confirmation of your appointment. On that day, we will need the vehicle for the duration of the day, but promise to get your car back to you at the earliest opportunity. So let's have a look at the process. We can take secure payments over the phone, so all of this can be done without you having to worry about coming to us. We'll come to you. Now, if you think this is of interest to you, then please don't hesitate to take advantage of this program today. Thank you.